Protect your brain. While you sleep, a simple 3-step plan. I'm Daniel Stouffer, and I want to share something most people don't realize. Your brain has a built-in repair crew. At night, while you sleep, your brain literally cleans itself. But here's the catch. If your sleep never reaches the right depth, that cleanup crew doesn't show up. That's why you can sleep 7, 8, or even 9 hours and still wake up foggy. Why you're stuck. If you've ever thought, what's wrong with me? I slept long enough, but I still feel exhausted. You're not alone. The problem isn't you, it's biology. Deep within your brain lies the glymphatic system, a recently discovered waste clearance pathway. It's like a dishwasher for your mind, flushing out toxins linked to memory problems and even Alzheimer's. When sleep is shallow or fragmented, the system can't do its job. Common fixes: more hours in bed, melatonin, even high-tech trackers, miss the mark because they don't guarantee your brain actually clears itself. What you need isn't more effort, but a system that primes your body for repair mode. The Brain Boost Sleep System. Here's the 3-step plan. Step 1. Prepare. Remove hidden blockers such as late caffeine, bright lights, and looping thoughts. Step 2. Trigger. Use body and breath techniques, such as the 4-2-6 breathing cycle, to transition from go mode to repair mode. Step 3. Protect. Cool your room to 65, 67 degrees, sleep on your side with a pillow for support, and create conditions that allow your brain's cleanup crew to work effectively. Within 20 minutes, your nervous system begins to calm. By the first morning, most people notice lighter fog and sharper focus. Let's dig deeper with a step-by-step walkthrough. Step 1. Cut caffeine after 2 p.m., dim your screens and lights 90 minutes before bed, and jot down tomorrow's top 3 tasks. This sweeps the track before your brain's repair crew shows up. Step 2. Practice the 4-2-6 breath. Inhale for 4, hold for 2, exhale for 6. Repeat 3 times. Add a body scan if needed. Whisper to yourself, "Safe now." This signals your nervous system that the day is over. Step 3. Protect. Cool your room. Choose a side sleeping position and minimize interruptions. Alcohol, heavy meals, and late hydration can sabotage deep sleep. Protect the conditions and your glymphatic system takes care of the rest. Stories of change. Anna used to wake feeling like her head was stuffed with cotton. Within 3 nights of cutting late caffeine and dimming lights, she was sharper, and her boss noticed. Michael feared memory loss like his father. By side sleeping and breathing before bed, he regained focus and confidence. Rosa struggled through midlife fog. Using the Worry Dump worksheet and guided audio, she felt calmer and clearer within a week. Advanced tips. Once you've mastered the basics, consider adding refinements. Hydrate earlier in the day, use blackout curtains, try light exercise in the morning, or incorporate magnesium-rich foods into your diet. These aren't required, but they strengthen the system. Closing and call to action. Your brain isn't just resting at night, it's repairing, and when you give it the right signals, you wake up with clarity, not fog. Tonight, try the Prepare, Trigger, Protect plan. And if you're ready to go deeper, the complete ebook includes templates, worksheets, and advanced strategies that make this system effortless. Think of it this way. Every night is a choice. Will your brain's cleanup crew show up or not? If you want sharper mornings, it's time to let them work.